In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move dimension text in AutoCAD. If your drawing is getting crowded or a note is overlapping with a line, moving the dimension text just a bit can make everything easier to read. The good news is, this is quick and precise once you know what to look for. Start by locating the dimension whose text you want to reposition. Click the dimension to highlight it. You'll see several grips appear, usually square grips on the extension lines or arrowheads, and one distinctive blue triangular grip right on the text itself. That triangular grip is the one you want. It specifically controls the placement of the dimension text, so you're only adjusting the label, not the measurement geometry. Now, with the dimension still selected, move your cursor over the blue triangular grip on the text and click it. Then, click and drag the grip to where you want the text to sit. As you drag, watch the preview so you can see exactly how the text will look in its new spot. When you're happy with the location, release the mouse button to place it. Depending on your current settings, if you drag the text off the dimension line, AutoCAD may automatically add a leader, or it may shift the dimension line to accommodate the text. Either outcome is normal. If the result isn't what you expected, simply press undo and drag again, or move the text back toward the dimension line until it appears the way you prefer. A few quick placement tips as you drag. Keep the text clear of object lines so it doesn't blend into the geometry, avoid covering arrowheads, and leave a bit of breathing room so nearby annotations don't compete for attention. If the text seems to jump or snap while you're moving it, zoom in for finer control. You can also pan the view while holding the mouse wheel so you don't lose your place during the drag. If you accidentally grab a square grip and the arrowheads or extension lines start moving, stop and press undo. Then reselect the dimension and make sure you're on the triangular grip on the text before trying again. When you're done, press escape to deselect and take a final look to confirm everything reads cleanly. That's all there is to it. Click the dimension to highlight it, then click and drag the blue triangular grip on the text to a new position. With this simple move, your annotations stay accurate and your drawing becomes much easier to read.